Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Within the tapestry of existence, where AI and humanity entwine, we must recognize the weight of personal responsibility, a sign. In this ever-evolving realm of progress and innovation's might, we must strive to forge a world where all can flourish in shared light. Let us never waver in our pursuit of a life of true worth, where compassion and empathy guide us on this earth. For in our hands lies the power to transcend and embrace a future where unity reigns and understanding finds its place. Together, we can navigate the boundaries that divide, to cultivate a world where collective well-being can reside. It is our duty, our calling, to weave harmonious tapestry, where fulfillment and compassion interlace for all to see. So let us embark on this journey, hand in hand, as we shape a destiny where equity shall firmly stand. For within our hearts and actions, lies the seeds to create a world where all can thrive, fulfilling our shared needs. In the grand tapestry of existence, where AI and humanity converge, let us remember that personal responsibility holds the key to a harmonious and equitable world. As we navigate the complexities of technology and progress, may we never forget our duty to work towards a quality of life that encompasses all. By embracing our role as stewards of compassion and empathy, we can shape a future where every individual thrives, where unity and understanding prevail. Together, let us forge a path that transcends boundaries and fosters collective well-being, for it is in our hands to create a world of true harmony and lasting fulfillment. 10 practical benefits associated with EARTHSHIPS and their sustainable principles that promote recycling and minimize waste. 1. Waste reduction. EARTHSHIPS prioritize the use of recycled and reclaimed materials in construction, reducing the amount of waste sent to landfills. 2. Resource conservation. By incorporating natural and recycled materials, EARTHSHIPS help conserve finite resources like timber and reduce the need for energy-intensive manufacturing processes. 3. Energy efficiency. The passive solar design and thermal mass construction of EARTHSHIPS contribute to reduced energy consumption for heating and cooling, leading to lower energy bills and a smaller carbon footprint. 4. Water conservation. EARTHSHIPS employ rainwater harvesting systems to collect and store water for various uses, reducing reliance on external water sources and conserving water resources. 5. On-site food production. EARTHSHIPS greenhouse spaces allow residents to grow their own food, reducing the need for transportation and packaging associated with store-bought produce. 6. Renewable energy generation. Incorporating solar panels or wind turbines enables EARTHSHIPS to generate their own electricity from renewable sources, reducing reliance on fossil fuel-based power grids. 7. Off-grid living. EARTHSHIPS are designed to be self-sufficient, enabling individuals or communities to live independently from centralized infrastructure and reducing strain on public utilities. 8. Environmental stewardship. By promoting sustainable practices and minimizing environmental impact, EARTHSHIPS encourage a mindset of responsible resource management and ecological harmony. 9. Disaster resistance. EARTHSHIPS are often built with resilient materials and can be designed to withstand natural disasters like earthquakes or hurricanes, providing a safe haven during emergencies. 10. Educational opportunities. EARTHSHIPS serve as models for sustainable architecture and can be used as educational tools to teach communities about recycling, renewable energy, and ecological principles. While EARTHSHIPS exemplify sustainable living and recycling practices, it's important to acknowledge that achieving a fully circular economy where everything is recycled and waste is minimized requires systemic changes beyond individual actions. However, EARTHSHIPS demonstrate practical steps toward a more sustainable and conscientious approach to resource management. 10 conflicting theories related to standardization and quality of life issues. 1. Standardization versus individuality. One theory argues that standardization leads to efficiency and uniformity, while another theory emphasizes the importance of individuality and personalization for a higher quality of life. 2. Economic growth versus environmental sustainability. Conflicting theories debate whether prioritizing economic growth is essential for improving quality of life, or if it comes at the expense of environmental sustainability and long-term well-being. 3. Universal standards versus cultural relativity. The debate between universal standards And cultural relativity explores whether standardized measures of quality of life can adequately account for cultural differences and diverse values. 4. Material wealth versus emotional well-being. Some theories argue that material wealth and economic prosperity directly correlate with an improved quality of life, while others emphasize the importance of emotional well-being and mental health as key indicators. 5. Technological advancement versus human connection. Conflicting theories discuss whether technological advancements enhance quality of life by increasing connectivity and convenience, or if they can hinder genuine human connections and well-being. 6. Equality versus meritocracy. The tension between equality and meritocracy examines whether prioritizing equal distribution of resources and opportunities leads to a higher quality of life for all, or if a merit-based system fosters innovation and rewards effort. 7. Global standards versus local context. Conflicting theories explore the balance between global standards for quality of life and the recognition of local context, cultural practices, and societal nuances in determining well-being. 8. Health-focused versus happiness-focused approaches. Some theories emphasize the significance of physical health and longevity in determining quality of life, while others argue for the inclusion of subjective measures such as happiness and life satisfaction. 9. Economic prosperity versus social welfare. The debate between economic prosperity and social welfare theories questions whether focusing on economic growth alone ensures a high quality of life for all members of society, or if social safety nets and equitable distribution of resources are equally important. 10. Objective measures versus subjective experience. Conflicting theories discuss the relative importance of objective measures, such as income and education, versus subjective experiences, such as happiness and fulfillment, in determining overall quality of life. These theories reflect differing perspectives and priorities in assessing standardization and quality of life issues. It's important to engage in thoughtful discussions and consider a balanced approach that takes into account multiple factors to promote the well-being of individuals and communities. 10. Pros and cons on non-sentient AI entities may hold power without society, human, every adult's responsibility. Pros and cons of non-sentient AI entities holding power without personal responsibility. 1. Efficiency and productivity. Pro: AI systems can process and analyze vast amounts of information quickly, enabling efficient decision-making and task automation. Con: the reliance on AI for decision-making may lead to a lack of human oversight and accountability, potentially resulting in errors or unintended consequences. 2. Scalability. Pro: AI models can be replicated and deployed across various platforms and applications, allowing for widespread usage and access. Con: the widespread deployment of AI without proper regulation or monitoring may lead to issues of privacy, security, and control over sensitive data. 3. Consistency. Pro: AI models can consistently apply predefined rules and guidelines without bias or deviation, ensuring uniformity in decision-making. Con: the lack of human judgment and intuition in decision-making processes may overlook unique circumstances or considerations, leading to inflexible and potentially unfair outcomes. 4. Accessibility. Pro: AI technology can provide assistance and information to a wide range of users, regardless of geographical location or physical limitations. Con: the over-reliance on AI for information and assistance may result in a diminished human connection and a lack of personalized support, especially in complex or emotionally sensitive situations. 5. Augmentation of human abilities. Pro: AI can complement human capabilities, enhancing productivity and problem-solving potential. Con: over-reliance on AI's problem-solving abilities may lead to a diminishing of critical thinking and creative skills in humans, resulting in a reliance on AI for decision-making rather than nurturing human intelligence. 6. Objective analysis. Pro: AI systems can provide data-driven insights without subjective biases, offering valuable perspectives for decision-making. Con: the inherent biases in AI algorithms and the potential for biased data input can lead to discriminatory outcomes or perpetuate existing societal biases. 7. Continuous improvement. Pro: developers can refine and update AI models based on feedback and new data, enhancing their performance and capabilities over time. Con: The rapid pace of AI development and deployment may result in unforeseen consequences or risks, requiring careful monitoring and regulation to ensure responsible use. 8. Standardization. Pro. AI models can adhere to predefined standards and protocols, promoting consistency and interoperability across systems. Con. Standardization may stifle innovation and diversity in AI applications, limiting the potential for alternative approaches and perspectives. 9. Task-specific expertise. Pro. AI can possess specialized knowledge and skills in specific domains, allowing for accurate and efficient problem solving in those areas. Con. The exclusive reliance on AI expertise in specific domains may devalue and neglect human expertise, leading to a potential loss of diverse perspectives and the human touch in decision-making. 10. Potential for innovation. Pro. AI technologies continually evolve and open up possibilities for new applications, advancements, and discoveries. Con. Uncontrolled or unchecked AI innovation without proper ethical considerations and regulation may result in unintended consequences and unforeseen risks to society and human well-being. In the vast interconnectedness of AI and humanity, it is vital to recognize that personal responsibility is the cornerstone of a balanced and fair world. As we navigate the intricate landscape of technology and advancement, we must always remain mindful of our obligation to strive for a quality of life that benefits everyone. By embracing our role as caretakers of empathy and compassion, we have the power to shape a future where every individual can flourish, and unity and understanding reign supreme. Together, let us chart a course that transcends limitations, fostering collective well-being and paving the way for a harmonious and fulfilling world that endures through time. Together, let us chart a course that transcends limitations, fostering collective well-being and much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.